Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In today's video, we are going to make a short review on Click Blackbird Fountain Pen. This one is a turquoise blue golden marble finished one, and in the trim set there is a golden color clip, and here there is a golden color ring. And here the brand's name Click also stamped here. This is a window in which you can find the inks level inside, and this is number 5.5 nib, and you can swap with nibs like you we have number 5.5 in many brands. Usually pen enthusiast will swap with candrite nibs, where you can find fine, medium, broad, and flex also with the golden dual tone or full silver plated also. And this is up to your choice. And for that you can go to our site and click pen spare, and then go to nibs. There you can find the filter, and you can make a query on the what you required also. And the ink filling system here is the eyedropper one. For better experience in thread portion, you can apply silicone grease or Vaseline over here. Whenever you are filling the ink, whenever you are trying to open this portion, you can apply this for long life. And you have to fill the ink only up to this inner threads. If you fill above that, you will get an overflow, so this won't be a nice thing. And the important thing in pen maintenance is you have to wash this regularly, that is twice a month, because all dye based ink will precipitate on the long usage. This will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and it's a sign. And slowly ink will dry quickly, then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow like this. And I think you might have experienced this. And the reason here is blockage in the feeder grows. So to clean this, you can soak in the running any water, so it's like soap waters, or you can wash in the running tap water also. And for that you can easily hold this and turn this and pull it out. This is a simple process. By dismantling this, you can easily wash. This will take up to 5 minutes, but this 5 minutes work gives a long life to your fountain pens, especially in eyedroppers. In the ink bottles itself, you can notice this. On every fill, it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So it is a clear, unless otherwise you will have to clean and maintain, the flow will be affected. And also few nibs have to nib tune, the fine tune, because during the manual assembling of nibs, the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines like upside like this. For that you can use your nails or sharp knives to move this up and down. Gently push this tines, and this will create a space between the tines, so which allows the good flow of ink. In turn, you will get a smooth writing too. And please ensure both tines are in parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. So whenever we dispatch the pen to our customers, we do this fine tuning and we'll check before dispatching. And this is our usual practice. So then let me show you the writing sample of this pen. For that, I'm here using our emerald green ink, which is a dye based one. I'm dipping and drying the excess. This is writing so smooth. Yeah, the flow is also equal and the writing is so good. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us in WhatsApp. We are there to respond to you at any time. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.